Hey viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a recipe Indian dessert pudding made using milk, sugar, dry fruits and of course makhana. The recipe is Makhane ki Kheer. Makhana is known as lotus seeds or foxnuts in English. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. And today I will be sharing with you my tip on how to make this kheer creamier without any cream and ghee. So let's quickly check out this video on Makhane ki Kheer. Heat a pan and roast the makhanas on low to medium heat. Keep stirring so that the makhanas are evenly roasted and most importantly they should not turn brown. Roast until it becomes crunchy. So you see I couldn't crush the makhanas now, so I'll roast it for few more seconds. If you are able to easily crush the makhanas, that means it's perfectly roasted. Yeah, now this is perfectly crushing. These makhanas or the lotus seeds or the fox nuts, whatever you may call, are loaded with calcium and has the anti-inflammatory properties. Hence, you must use this regularly in your daily diet. Transfer the makhanas to a plate and allow it to cool down. Into the same pan, add full fat milk, allow it to boil. Stir at intervals so that the milk does not scorch from the bottom. I am not thickening the milk because I have my secret tip and I will be sharing with you on how to make the milk or the kheer creamier and more tasty. Friends, if you have any comments, please feel free to drop it down. I will be responding you to your comments. If you are preparing this Makhane ki Kheer, do share with me your recipe picture on my Facebook page, which is Ainish Kitchen. Once the milk boils, add half a cup of condensed milk. The condensed milk is already sweetened, hence I am not adding any sugar. Please feel free to add sugar if you require. Scrape the evaporated milk solids from the sides and add it to the milk. These all actually thickens and makes the milk creamier. While the milk was boiling, I took 1/4 part of the roasted makhanas, finely powdered it. Now add in the roasted makhana into the milk. The makhanas will shrink at this point to make the kheer creamier. My tip is to add the fine ground makhana powder. This will give a creamy texture and a smooth consistency to the kheer. Add cardamom powder. You may add a pinch of saffron strands as well. Finally, some chopped nuts. Here I am adding pumpkin seeds, some sliced almonds. You may also add some raisins, so it's completely optional. Cook on low flame for another 5 to 8 minutes till the makhanas completely softens and the milk is thickened. That's all. Wasn't this an instant kheer recipe? I hope you like this rich and creamy Makhane ki Kheer, and this is healthy to serve for daily meals, on festival meals and also on fasting days. Makhana should be regularly used for its health benefits because it is loaded with calcium and has anti-inflammatory properties. This Makhane ki kheer is a great way to include this superfood ingredient in your daily diet. For more such interesting and yummy recipes, do subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload any new video. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another yummy recipe.